Well, hey, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Our normal programming has been interrupted. We have an issue with one of the vans. One of the guys has been telling us that the belt is squealing when he starts it up and that the AC has been cutting out while he's driving on the highway. So we are, and the power steering as well, is going in and out. So obvious solution to that is a new belt, a new serpentine belt. So we're going to be doing that because we need to get the van back on the road for tomorrow. That way we're still producing, income so we can continue with this channel and figure out how to get that build done in between, life, like work and stuff. So here we are. It's a standard, work van. It's a Ford E150, and we've taken really good care of it, but fortunately it really doesn't need that much maintenance. So this has pretty much been needed. So we're going to take care of that and hopefully get back to our regular programming quickly. Thank you. Hey, so it's me. I'm on my own. Waiting for Bob to come back from Advanced Auto Parts with a new serpentine belt for the E150 van that we have for one of our top employees. We're trying to get ready for him to start the work week, make sure he's back on the road in a reliable vehicle. So we checked the pulley on the power steering because we were concerned that that might be a little loose, but no, it looks fine. He had experienced a little bit of slippage on the belt, we feel, and that was probably causing the in and out of the power steering at sometimes at high speeds. He also had experienced some squealing at startup, and the AC was, going in and out. So ultimately, we think that it is just the belt. So we're going from there. So Bob should be back in a few minutes, and I'll try and keep you guys posted as to how we're doing. So quick update, I'm wounded. Apparently safety glasses should be worn at all times. Making an extension out of a pipe on the breaker bar to release the tensioner, I smacked myself in the face. So it was me, it wasn't Bob. He didn't beat me because I wasn't doing it fast enough. So anyway, after several trips to the automotive store, because at first they gave us the wrong belt. The belt that they gave us the first time was for without AC, so too short. It needed the extra, it was like an extra 5 or 6 inches, I don't even know. At least 10 inches, yeah. So anyway, finally got the right belt. Once I had the right belt, damn, it went on really, really fast, really quick. And of course I was so excited to get it done that I smacked myself in the face with the pipe. Yes. So Bob says I'm probably gonna have a black eye. Looking forward to that. It's my first one ever. I thought the worst thing that I was gonna have was all these scars from my arm, getting in there past the fan. But no. Anyway, so that was that. We're done with the van. We're gonna put it back together. It's running well. All we have to do is put the motor back on and welding and this stuff, whatever. And we're good to go. Thanks. Peace. Like and subscribe. Ow.